Hello, friends. Welcome to our fun Guess the Vegetable quiz. Can you guess the vegetable from the clues? Let's play and have fun. I am orange and crunchy. Rabbits love me. Correct. It's carrot. I am red and juicy, often used in salads and sauces. Correct. It's tomato. I am brown and round. People make fries from me. Correct. It's potato. I make you cry when I'm chopped. Correct. It's onion. I am green and crunchy, often sliced in salads. Correct. It's cucumber. I have green leaves and make salads fresh and tasty. Correct. It's lettuce. I look like a tiny tree and I'm green and crunchy. Correct. It's broccoli. I'm white and look like a little tree, too. Correct. It's cauliflower. I'm yellow and grow on a tall plant. People eat me as corn on the cob. Correct. It's corn. I'm small, round, and green. You can eat me in pods or as peas. Correct. It's peas. I have dark green leaves and I'm very healthy. Correct. It's spinach. I'm a green vegetable that looks like cabbage but with curly leaves. Correct. It's cabbage. Correct. It's zucchini. Guess this. Correct. It's kale. Guess this. Correct. It's celery. I look like a green round ball, often used in salads or cooked. Correct. It's green beans. I look like small green spears and taste delicious grilled. Correct. It's asparagus. I'm a green vegetable like a big green onion. Correct. It's leek. I have large green leaves, often used in salads or cooking. Correct. It's chard. I'm a small green herb that adds flavor to food. Correct. It's parsley. I am red and spicy or sweet, used in many dishes. Correct. It's red pepper. I am green and crunchy, similar to red pepper. Correct. It's green pepper. I am yellow and sweet, good in salads. Correct. It's yellow pepper. I am small, red, and very spicy. Correct, it's chili. I am purple and smooth, used in cooking. Correct, it's eggplant. I am red and round, often used in salads and soups. Correct, it's beetroot. I am small and red with white inside, crunchy and spicy. Correct, it's radish. Guess this. Correct, it's turnip. I look like a green flower and people eat my leaves. Correct, it's artichoke. I am green and pod-like, often cooked in stews. Correct, it's okra. Guess this. Correct, it's sweet potato. I am similar to sweet potato but different in taste. Correct, it's yam. I am a starchy root used in cooking. Correct, it's taro. I am spicy and used for flavor and medicine. Correct, it's ginger. I am white and smell strong, used in cooking. Correct, it's garlic. I am yellow and used as a spice in medicine. Correct, it's turmeric. I am spicy and used as a condiment. Correct, it's horseradish. I am a large white radish. Correct, it's daikon. I am white and sweet like a carrot. Correct, it's parsnip.
Thanks for watching, kids. Great job today. You're so smart.